Good day, everyone. We are pleased to present our project titled IOT FishBite Alert System. Our team members are Aizudin, Fernando, and Heriansha. This projector is part of the KD 34303 IoT project course for semester 1 2024-2025. Fishing is a very popular activity enjoyed by people from all ages. But the common challenges is detecting the subtle tongue of fish bite. Beginners can always tell the difference between a real bite and water current. Meanwhile, experienced anglers juggling multiple rods struggle to watch them all, especially in low light conditions. Existing solutions like sonar primarily help locate fish, but don't alert anglers the moment of fish bite. This gap calls for a more direct and user-friendly solutions to enhance the fishing experience. Now, let's go into the problem statement. The biggest problem is the angler often miss fish bite. Beginners can always distinguish real bites from natural movement. Meanwhile, experts with multiple rods find it hard to keep an eye on every line. Sonar systems don't solve the real-time alert problem. Missed bite lead to lost fish, wasted time, and frustration. Therefore, we need a system that can detect fish bite accurately and alert anglers instantly. The primary objective of this project are as follows. Create a system with a 1 kg load cell that can detect weight changes when fish bite, not just normal water movement. Secondly is to notify the angler if there a weight change. That means a fish is biting. Thirdly, display IP address before connecting to the smartphone, display real-time weight, and display the number of catches on the OLED screen. The fourth one is to develop a web application where the fisher can set the weight limits to detect a bite, means the threshold. At the same time, this web application also will display the information of the threshold, the real-time weight, and the fish count. The last one is to develop a warning system where we use a buzzer and a red light to indicate whether a fish bite. The project will involve these scopes. The first one is we connect 1 kg load cell with an amplifier to make it very sensitive to small changes. The second thing is to build a web app for the user to interact with. So in this web app, the user can set the weight limit, see the real-time weight, and track their catch. The third scope is to alert. The alert system has a buzzer and a red light to quickly warn the anglers when a fish bite. The fourth one, user can see IP address before connecting to smartphone. Will be very useful when the IP address is dynamic, not static. And the final scope is the system will get tested numerous times to ensure its correctness, reliability, and usability when faced with most fishing scenarios. The project has this limitation. First, the use of any tool that locates a fish is excluded. For example, sonar. The second thing is the system will not perform tasks automatically, such as pulling the fish or throwing out the line. The third is the system is designed to stand alone and will not integrate any third-party tools except the rod. The fourth one is it will not be possible to use the system in place for checking environment, such as water temperature or weather humidity. These are the list of electronic components that we use in the project. For the sensor, our main sensor is load cell strap bar. Our actuators is super bright RGB LED and piezo buzzer. For other components can be see as shown. This is the schematic diagram for our project. In conclusion, the IoT fish bite alert system offers a straightforward yet powerful solution for detecting fish bite in real time. By combining load cell sensing, an ESP32 microcontroller, and a web interface, anglers can stay informed of every bite. This solution reduces fish catches, saves times, and makes fishing more enjoyable for both beginners and experts.
Welcome to our demonstration of the IoT FishBite alert system. We are excited to show how it works. First, let's get connected. Turn on the hotspot on the smartphone. Make sure the SSID and password match with the one programmed into the ESP32. Once the ESP32 connects, we will see a message on the OLED display confirming the connection and showing the IP address. Alright, now open Pond's browser and enter that IP address. Remember, this address will likely be different each time you connect. This will bring you to the interface of our FishBite alert system. Here, from the smartphone, we can monitor everything in real time, such as the current weight detected by the sensor, the number of fish caught, and the current result setting. After connect to the ESP32, click the Display Data button. We should see the weight and fish count display on both phone and the OLED. From the smartphone, we can setting the threshold. The threshold means the weight that will trigger the alert. You can adjust this directly from your phone. Enter your desired threshold in grams into the text box and click Set Threshold. Let's start with 150 grams. Now, if we apply 150 grams to the force sensor, you will hear the buzzer sound. The RGB LED will light up red, and the fish count will increase by 1.
Fokus betul-betul dekat lambung tu. Okay, tarik dia, kasih bunyi. Bila cecah macam ni. LED kita kenal juga berapa? Okay, okay.
Let's try a higher threshold. We will set it to 300 grams. Now, let's apply that weight, and there it goes. As expected, the buzzer sound again. The LED lights up and
So,
our
baru
fish
ada
count goes
bunyi.
up.
Naik. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, we can easily reset the fish count by clicking the Reset Fish Count button on the smartphone.
So, fish count akan bertambah sebanyak satu. Lepas tu kita ambil tu ikan. Makan. Lepas tu ada ikan lagi sampai. Sambar dipancing. Dia akan berbunyi lagi. Dia akan bertambah satu lagi. Wow. Tu pancing kawan. Ah. Ada. Okay. Okay.
It's important to note that this device will continue to function even without a Wi-Fi connection or a smartphone. However, we won't be able to adjust the threshold or reset the fish count remotely. For power, we can use a power bank, but we recommend a 9-volt dry cell. It's lightweight and provides a more stable power supply for optimal performance in the field, ensuring your fish bite alert system is always ready. Thanks for watching. We hope this demonstration has given a clear understanding of how our IoT fish bite alert system works.